Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for clicking the video. Today we are doing barbacoa, beef cheeks. Yes, you heard me right. We are actually preparing beef cheeks today for dinner. We are making tacos for this evening, and this is the main course, barbacoa. Today, my main rub will be the Suckle Buster's Best in Texas SPG. Salt, pepper, garlic. I've unwrapped the barbacoa. I've placed it in this pot directly behind me, and what I'm doing is letting it braise. We are going to finish steaming it out, and by the time we come back, we'll have ready to eat barbacoa falling off, just pulling apart. Here we go. Just like butter, super tender, just falling apart. The shredding, perfect. Keeping the tacos pretty simple. I have some cheese, some cilantro, some avocado salsa, and then some homemade chile piquin chile. Get your corn tortilla. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this video, like it. See you next time. Barbecue anytime.